When the going gets tough, one team is always tougher, on the spot. For over 2 decades, we've been the unsung heroes in the background, making sure things look spotless, even when it seems impossible to do so. Our commitment to this effort starts at the top. The owner of On the Spot is driven by a relentless dedication to getting the job done. He believes in going the extra mile. He instills in us a belief that no detail is too small, no challenge too big, and no weather too harsh. On the Spot will always find a way. Because when others say, "We can't," he says, "We get it done when no one else can." That's not just a statement. It's literally in our core values. Although professional detailing is the best way to keep your vehicles looking sharp, it's not just about aesthetics. Did you know that mold in your car can be a serious issue? Mold isn't just unsightly. It can also cause a multitude of health problems, from allergies and skin irritation to more severe respiratory issues. It's a silent predator that can lurk undetected in your vehicle, steadily impacting the air quality within. That's why our team is specially trained in mold and mildew remediation. We don't just clean cars. We ensure they're healthy environments for you and your loved ones. Safety and well-being. These are part of the 5-star experience delivered daily at On the Spot. What about detailing in the blazing heat or freezing snow? Think bad weather is a reason to skip car care? Think again. In reality, harsh conditions only emphasize the need for thorough cleaning and protection. Rain, snow, sleet, and hail can all cause damaging effects to your car's exterior and interior. Water spots can etch into your vehicle's paint, leading to corrosion over time, and damp conditions can encourage mold growth inside the vehicle. Salt used on roads during the winter can accelerate rusting, and the summer sun can burn bird droppings right through your paint. That's where we step in. Our team is trained to work in all weather conditions, ensuring that no matter what Mother Nature throws at us or your vehicle, you and your vehicle are protected. On the hottest days of summer or freezing days of February, nothing stops us. We're committed to delivering quality, no matter what the thermometer says. Bigger jobs? No problem. From company events to commercial fleets and government contracts, we've done it all. We've handled everything from local businesses to massive corporations, ensuring their fleets or their staff's personal vehicles are maintained to the highest standard. Our experienced team is well equipped to handle jobs of any scale. At On the Spot, we're not just about fulfilling a service, we're about surpassing expectations, and we're not done yet. With our unwavering commitment and dedication, we're constantly seeking new challenges, ready to take on whatever comes next, reaffirming our promise to our clients. On the Spot. We get it done when no one else can.
Aim dead for my face, man. Come on. You got some of that you want in you. That was good.